The Replacement, Part 2 of 3. If you watched Part 1, you already know the numbers. 57.5% of the internet is bots. But knowing the statistics is one thing. Understanding what they actually mean is something else entirely. Here's the part that should make you stop scrolling. In 2025, a study found that more AI-generated articles were published online than human-written ones. Let me say that again. More machine-written content than human-written content. For the first time in history, uploaded to the same internet you use every day. And then those AI-generated articles were indexed by search engines. They appeared in results, they got cited, and then other AI models, the ones being trained on the public web, ingested them as training data. AI is now training on AI. The machine is feeding itself. There's a term for this, model collapse. When an AI system trains on AI-generated outputs instead of human originals, it starts to degrade. The diversity of thought shrinks, the creativity flattens, the outputs become more and more like each other until eventually the whole system converges into a kind of gray noise, indistinguishable, uniform, dead. That's not a metaphor. It's a documented phenomenon that multiple research papers have confirmed since 2024. Now, look at your social media feed. Look at the comments under any major post. Notice how many of them feel identical, the same 3 opinions slightly reworded, the same emotional beats, the same structure. You've been noticing model collapse. You just didn't have a name for it. Last week, MrBeast hit 500 million subscribers on YouTube. He's now subscribed to by 1 in every 16 people alive on Earth. The internet collectively paused and asked, is that even real? The reaction wasn't celebration, it was suspicion. Because people have started to understand somewhere in their gut that the numbers don't mean what they used to. When the infrastructure is fake, every metric built on top of it is fake. Views, engagement, trends, what's popular, what's suppressed, all of it runs through systems where the majority of participants are no longer human. The internet was built for human eyes. Every design choice, the scroll, the like button, the recommendation engine, assumed a human on the other end. That assumption is no longer true. In Part 3, we go to the darkest part. Who built this, and was any of it an accident